Just got to Heat Timer headquarters because I got to pick up a special order part for a really unique setup. Yeah, no worries. Listen, I'm paid by the hour, so take as much time as you need. Okay, so this is what a normal heat timer sensor looks like. Pretty standard size. This is the high temperature sensor. Definitely not gonna fit in the traditional Aquastat 3/4 well I was thinking. Doesn't this well look kind of banged up? Well, yeah, it does. So effectively, this is useless. Now, because this probe is a little bit thinner, good way to reuse a part that probably would have no other application anywhere else. That well right there? Okay. Yeah. That's what so I'll come out of that box and then just come up, digispan. This is like a fiber making place. I think they use the steam to like, I don't know, something with the fiber. But all they want is a digispan just to monitor the temperature. Everything's pretty analog. Learning more and more about fabrics. So apparently they use the steam to heat the water that they mix with like the dye and the chemicals. And depending on the color or the fabric, it requires different temperatures. It's anywhere from 270 degrees to even up to 300. Starting to think maybe we should have kept the boiler off till I was done. I wrote the part number down for the high temperature sensor because I have a feeling it's going to go bad pretty often. So what I ended up doing was I took the well and I put a little bit of the heat conductive material in there, and then I took the probe and I just kept pushing it in there, put a little bit more heat conductive material, and I just kept pushing the probe and pushing the probe and pushing. No, I did not mean it that way. I totally meant it that way. Everything's nice and secure. Let's power up. See what we're looking at. So here's where we're at. So apparently, everything they have in the installation manual for the digispan about the temperature sensors is for the low temperature sensor. The high temperature is pretty uncommon. So it reading short is not uncommon. So I did all that, and turns out that the temperature that they monitor, you know, between like 200 and 300, whatever it was, sometimes now they go below it. And the high temperature probe is fixed at from like 220 to 900. So everything I just did seems like it's pretty much for nothing. I don't know if 2 probes can go on, but all I do know is I'm getting really hungry, so I'm gonna pack up all my stuff and I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, and you're probably thinking that I didn't cut any of the zip ties. Of course I cut all the zip ties. I'm lazy. I'm not a psychopath. So until next time, I'll see you in the next boiler room.